This 2022 Winnebago Micro Minnie FLX 2108 FBS is a travel trailer RV. It is located in Medford, Oregon 97504 and is offered for sale by Johnson RV Medford. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This used Winnebago is 22 feet 0 inches in length and features sleeps 3, slide-out, and 31 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this travel trailer features front bedroom, rear bath. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.